Hello friends, myself Michael from thebrainbees.com. So today's video is very special. Please watch this video till end and please subscribe my channel, like this video and hit the bell icon so that you can notified when I will make my new video. So let's go. Today's video is very special, so watch till end. And today's I want to tell you about two interesting apps of learning apps you can install in Play Store by searching. So and also I will give this app link in the description below. So let's go. We will start our channel. So here I want to show you. You can see that there are only 11 apps. So from these 11 apps I have chosen these two apps. I want to show you this class 8 NCERT Procs and this class 8 NCERT Solutions Offline. So these are the two apps, and also an additional app I want to show you, that AA Dictionary AA Dictionary and English to English Dictionary. These are very rare apps you can install by the given link in the description below. So first of all I want to tell you about the class 8 and all NCERT books. So I want to open this app so you can see. So here I have opened this app, and first of all I have opened this for rational numbers of mathematics class 8 standard. You can also, if you are of class 8, then you can also choose this app and also install it from my given link. So here I have applied it in dark mode. I want to tell you that this is about Hindi medium and English medium. So if you want to choose two mediums of about one medium of these two mediums, you can also choose it in Hindi medium and also choose it in English medium. So you can also apply this app in light mode and also in dark mode. You can see that I have applied this in dark mode. You can see this, I have applied it. And if you want to apply this in dark mode, then I want to show you, you have to click on this 3 line. So after clicking this 3 line, you will see, I want to show you will see the second option, which is the dark mode. You should have to click it and you will see this interface. I will show you this tick mark is the main part, and here you can see that here is written as dark mode and here written as apply dark. So you have to don't apply the dark mode, so you have to enable this. So here you can see that it is a light mode app, and you can also change the color of the top. This top, you can also changes the top where it was written as class 8 NCERT books. Also I want to show you that then you have to also click in this 3 line, and then you will see the first option, change color. So you have to click it. So after clicking it, you will see this type of interface in your mobile phone. Then you have to can also choose any color. I will choose the light blue color. You can see the description, and also the upper description is about blue color. So this is about the class 8 NCERT books, and also I want to see you about all the subjects. So first I want to choose the science subject. So this is
Is
the
your phone
advertisement
filling up with photos
of
and videos?
this is the advertisement. So you have to exit this by clicking on this cross mark. So I want to click this cross mark. You can see that all the science books front page are combed. So here there are two books. You have to choose the science book, so you have to click the first one. Then you can see all of the chapters. I have not downloaded it yet, but you can also download that by this. You can download by this also. Yes, you can download it. Yes, this you can see there all of it as going to be downloaded, and you can read this by only offline. Also you can read this by offline without turning off the mobile data and without utilizing your MB. You can see one by one it was downloading. You can stop the downloading, or you can delete this download by clicking on this dustbin button. I want to show you that this you have to click this OK, and unit 1 is deleted. This face is working, so if I will install it, no face was coming. So I want to show you a book, crop prediction and management. This is the advertisement. I will click on this cross button, so you can see that how graphics are very much interesting, and graphics are so much good that I want to like this app very much. So this is the class 8 NCERT books, and second app I want to show you the class 8 NCERT solution. So first of all I want to show you that I will open it. You can see that how it was done. So I want to apply this in dark mode. So again, in similar way, in the class 8 NCERT book you also have to click this 3 dot. I will click it, so you will see this type of interface. The tab is also the second option is the dark mode. You also click it, but here everything is same, but the written concept is very much aggressive and also very much interesting. I will read for you that dark mode can help you to relieve eye strain in low light environment. So I want to explain it. So here if you apply the dark mode, then your eye become very healthy and you can see longer time. So I will apply this. So you see that how it applied at dark mode. I want to show you a book.
Is your phone filling up with photos and videos? And feeling slower by the day?
This is the advertisement. So here is the mathematics book. I've opened it, so you can see every exercise it was given. Because first I will open the rational number exercise 1. This is the advertisement. And see that you can see that exercise is opened. So and this is the app about class 8 NCERT solution, and I want to show you about but other two apps. One is AA Dictionary and other is English to English offline dictionary. So first of all I want to show you that AA Dictionary is an app from Google. You have to search it from Google. You can also search a word in Google and also you can pronounce it. So I want to tell that I have to write. This is a Google related app, so you can write any type of word and you can and I want to show you about the second app. which is the English offline dictionary. So I will open it. So I want to show you what that is. Tiger. So you can see the first word it was given, that tiger. I will click this. So you can also learn the pronunciation by clicking on this speaker button. I will click it.
Tiger.
So it was saying that tiger. So and here its meaning was that appears an orange Persian, means it is telling about the individual model of a person. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video, and also hit the bell icon so you can notify every time when I will make a new video. So thank you.